Namaste, this is Sakshi, and in this video we will learn a few simple stretches that you can do during quick office breaks. If you have long hours of sitting in front of your computer, then these exercises can really help you relax and recharge. So let's get started. First of all, when you're taking a break, try to tell yourself that you are taking a break. Try to leave the other things aside, sit over there comfortably with your back straight, and maybe you can even close your eyes and bring your focus onto the breath to start that practice. Then take your hand up, the right one up, take it to the side, giving a stretch to your neck. Inhale, exhale, and stretch it. And then take the head back up, hand back up, and then relax. The other one. Take it up, inhale, and exhale. And on the exhalation, give yourself a stretch. On the inhalation, come back up. Then taking the neck back and forth, take it back. You're stretching the neck on the back and then trying to as if place your head between the shoulders. And then exhale and bring your chin towards your chest. Then one more time, inhale and taking it back. And exhale and bringing it down. So these are like the neck stretches. We start with the neck stretches, then we open up our shoulders, sides of the body, and then finally our lower back. There are multiple joints which can start hurting while you have long hours of working in front of your computer. So even if you have any such specific issue or queries, do write in the comment section below and I'll be glad to answer. And then beginning the shoulder stretches. So for the shoulders, bring your hands like this, and then on the inhalation, take your elbows together. Try to take these rolls as much like you can extend to the back. Try and extend to the back. Extend the movement. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale, draw it back and exhale. And then also taking it the other way around. Inhale and take it back. Exhale, bring them together. Inhale, back. Exhale, together. And one more time. Inhale, back. Exhale, together. And then after these shoulder rolls, just bring the palms together like this. We're trying to open up the shoulders, really bringing this together, and then taking it like this. On the inhalation, try and expand and look up. Exhale and bring it. Inhale and expand, taking the shoulders together, looking up. Exhale, bringing it back. Inhale, one more time, expand. Open up your chest and exhale, even take your head down and relax. Next, we want to work on the sides of our body. So again, take this hand up. As we are taking this hand up, try and be conscious that you're not taking it up like this. The shoulder is relaxed, you're pushing it down. Even if you can bring the awareness in the back, then you're kind of pulling that shoulder blade down towards the floor. Keeping that relaxed, then stretch, inhale and up, exhale and stretch to the side. And inhale and bring up and relax. On the other side. Inhale, take your hand up, keep the shoulders relaxed and down, and exhale, stretch to the side. As you stretch to the side, one more correction, don't go like this. You want to be pointing straight, like keeping the shoulders pointing front, and then stretch to the side. And then inhale and come back up. You can take as many side stretches as you feel like and slowly open up the sides. And after opening up the sides, we come to the last part of our body, which is the lower back. For relaxing the lower back first, we will do a little bit of twist and then forward bends. So for the twist, first take your left hand, put it on the right thigh. Inhale, exhale, and start twisting. Now, as I start twisting, there are two things to notice, which is one, we are taking these shoulder points like apart from each other, like this, so that we are stretching the front as well as back of our heart. And then we are also trying to keep our spine as straight as possible and then twist on top of it. And then at last, take your head, use the drishti and the gaze, looking beyond the back shoulder and twisting over there. And take a few breaths and then inhale and exhale. On the exhalation, look back. On the other side, take this hand on the thigh, the other hand behind, expand, straighten your spine, inhale, exhale, and then look beyond the back shoulder and keep twisting. Enjoy that pose, keep a smile on your face, keep breathing, stay over there. Inhale and then exhale and come back. And then the last one, which is the forward bend after these twists, after the lower back has relaxed a little bit. Take your one leg, pull it in. This relaxes the lower back. Maybe draw your head also down and relax. On the other side, inhale and exhale. Go like this, squeezing out the breath on the exhalation, taking your nose to your knee and give yourself that forward bend. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then relax. So those are your stretches in between the work. And once you feel recharged, you can get back to your work. If you like this video, do click on the like button below. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. And if you have any comments or thoughts, write in the comment section below. Thank you.